Welcome to Fluids 1, Flip Simulations. This course is designed for both intermediate and advanced users alike. The goal in this course is to establish a thorough understanding of how flip simulations work while taking things further by examining custom setups that go beyond the standard Sidefx workflows. For advanced users, you'll find custom solutions to commonly encountered problems, such as reducing the cache sizes of your simulation by over 1,000%. We'll also take a look at a novel way of generating bubbles in foam, plus go over the pros and cons between a variety of meshing techniques that'll improve the overall shapes of your fluid simulations. For those of you who are new to flip simulations, you'll find everything here to gain control over what you're doing. When you first encounter fluid simulations in Houdini, there's lots of stuff that just isn't very obvious, like how to create proper collisions, how to prevent volume loss, what reseeding is, how to use it, as well as other parameters like grid scale, particle radius scale, the particle separation. There's all kinds of ways you can go wrong when you first study fluid simulations. And the goal of this course is to help prevent you from falling into those common mistakes while saving you the time and frustration so that you don't have to learn the hard way. So for those of you who are trying to understand flip simulations, I have simplified explanations that'll make your life a lot easier. And for those who are a bit more advanced, I also offer custom techniques that are definitely going to change the way you work with flip altogether. So, with that being said, there's something here for everyone. Be sure to check it out at cgforge.com, and thank you for watching.